Dear traders, welcome to Analytics Online. Today we continue exploring the ruble state on the oil market. The raw material currencies are in a weak position on a related backdrop of reduction in oil quotations. The ruble didn't become an exception. The gold-black prices are falling because investors apprehend that at the forthcoming meeting in Doha, the oil producers will not manage to agree about freezing output. We remind you, the meeting of the largest oil nations will take place on April 17. Utterances of the Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia raised the fears that agreement will fail. He made the statement according to which it sounded Saudi Arabia did not intend to freeze oil overproduction unless Iran supports the initiative. And they thought in Russia about the President's Economic Council renaissance. It became known about it from the government sources. It will expectedly unify such personalities as Herman Gref, Alexei Kutrin and Vladimir Mao. They have to offer options of economic recovery before 2018. However, economy has already begun to show recovery signs. For example, business index PMI of Russian Human Services rose to 52 points in March 2016, having shown maximum growth in last 10 months. It is market research organization that issues such data. In this development, the dollar rate in Moscow interbank currency exchange grew to 68.70 rubles, the euro climbed to 79.15 rubles, MY6 index froze near 1,860 points, and the Brent crude prices are lowering over. Давай сначала, что In this development, the dollar rate in Moscow interbank currency exchange grew to 68.70 rubles, the euro climbed to 79.15 rubles, MY6 index froze near 1,860 points, and the Brent crude prices are lowering over $37.50 a barrel. The oil prices The oil prices could not resist and fell before April 17. Now the market participants will check the consideration of the fact that producers will not manage to negotiate. We believe, for all that, the meeting in such format is an unconditional positive event happened on the market. Besides, we tend to believe that negotiating will be successful. Another issue is that how long these agreements on freezing oil output will be observed. Now we have doubts in this matter, because this is not the first attempt in the history to come to an agreement about the level of extraction among oil-producing countries. The recent attempts led to written agreements, but not real. This time, the story will perhaps repeat itself. As far as the ruble is concerned, we earlier said it was worth to buy in the range from 67 to 68 rubles against a dollar. You are lucky if you manage to do this. If not, don't be upset. The dollar growth will be limited by 71.5 rubles in a near term. At the same time, we expect slowdowns in the dollar-ruble pair volatility. That's all for today.